going on, YouTubers? So we have a new vacuum here, the Bissell Powerlifter bagged pet, or pet bagged, whatever you want to call it. It's a Powerlifter vacuum series. This one is bagged instead of bagless. So if you're somebody who has allergies, filtration concerns, you don't want to dump the dirt out because the dirt does come back up in the air if you don't want to go outside and do it. Or if you do, but that bothers your allergies. I don't have that issue. I know some people do. This is the machine, if you're on a budget, that I recommend you get. It uses a bag. Let's see here. There we go. It uses a bag. These Bissell bags I've seen on VacLab. Pretty decent filtration. They filter out all the big particles, only the little small particles escape. I did see on Amazon you can buy third-party HEPA bags for these. So if you need even better filtration, there you go. We got an appearance from Apollo and Mila, two of the pets that attribute to all this mess in the house. And then, I don't know if you can see over there under the chair is another cat. It's Nova. That's her mother. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened. Let me just adjust the camera real quick. There we go. All right. Open up right away. Here's the manual. Says to register online. I register all my Bissell products because as you can see, they donate to the Bissell Pet Foundation, which they do across the country, help pets get adopted. They do low-cost shot clinics, things of that nature. I like animals, so buying Bissells is fine. Registration card if you need to send in for registration if you don't want to sign up on the internet, which is a lot easier in my opinion. So, taking out dusting attachment, we've got, it's my third one of these. The pet hair tool. This thing's actually pretty useful. I've got one with my bagless Powerlifter. It gets all the fur off of upholstery. It's pretty nice, and it's got little air channels on the side to suck the fur up. You just kind of go like that to get the fur to come off. Also, if you need to clean it, it comes apart. Another turbo tool. This is the third one I got. It's nice because it's rubber, so it's better for getting pet hair off, but notice these vacuums don't have the most powerful suction, so it gets kind of bogged down. If you use one of the nicer machines like the pet hair eraser or any other vacuum with more suction power, this will actually work pretty good. And this is nice too. It's all Bissell's things are like this. Twist that around and it comes apart for cleaning. Here is the bag. It's a nice fabric material, not paper, so that's why it filters decently enough. It's got a little Febreze scent thing on it if you want things to smell good while you vacuum. This is the handle that goes on the back. Take the main vacuum unit out of here. The hose. Alright, see you later, dog. And here is the vacuum itself. Interestingly enough, unlike all the other Powerlifter and Cleanview series vacuums, this does not have a squeegee on it, so I would not recommend it for a hard floor because it's going to scatter everywhere. However, triple action brush works very well on carpet. It's got these stiffer yellow bristles and green. I think they're about the same stiffness, and these softer white ones. Works pretty good to bring up dirt and everything. And here's something I learned from VacLab. So all Bissells have this 2-position switch. So you do this, it reclines, but notice how it lifts up. If you hit the switch again, it lays all the way flat. Works great for getting under furniture. I didn't know that for years. I didn't know that until probably a month ago. So pretty neat to know. Let's go ahead and get this put together. Also, extension wand with a crevice tool fits inside. Does not want to lock in. This goes in this way. Definitely does not. There we go. This goes here. Side, this is right here, this piece, gotta screw that in. I'm gonna do that off video. This piece goes here, and then for the little pet hair tool brush, it doesn't really have a spot for it, so it's going in the closet like my other one. Just wrap the power cord up. I believe this has a 27-foot power cord. Don't quote me on that, but I believe that's what it is, which is a decent amount of reach. Usually cover at least one whole room. Unless it's a very big room. It'll cover at least a bedroom. Let's do that for now. I'm going to use it here in a minute. I just need to put those screws in. So there's that. I'm going to pause the video for a moment and get these screws in place. I'm actually going to do one of the screws on video just so people can see where it goes. See, I already got this one in. Put the other one right here. Alright, that should do it nice and tight. Last thing we need to do is put the bag in. I'm going to do a separate video demonstrating it because my son is asleep right now and I don't want to wake him up. Actually, there's already a bag in it, so it looks like you get an extra bag along with the machine to demonstrate. So the bag's got a hole right here, a little rubber seal. It's got this piece right here. I don't know how well you can see that. And then you just line it up, grab the bag by the collar, just push it into place. And that's it. And there's a little pre-motor filter down here. No post-motor filter, but It's a bag machine. You use good bags, you should have no need for that. And there you have it. Bissell Powerlifter bagged. I know on their website this goes for about $150. I got it off Walmart.com for $69.95, something like that. They said it was going to take a week to ship here, and it actually shipped here overnight. I was surprised. So again, this is a good budget vacuum. If you need something strictly for carpet and you don't want a bagless machine because allergies or whatever personal reasons, this is a good machine to get. I'll do another video showing it in use. Since it uses a bag, you can't see how much dirt it picks up, so I'll at least show you the machine in use, and that should be a pretty interesting video. Other than that, give this video a like, thumbs up. That helps my channel, helps more people see, gets more subscribers. Leave a comment below with your opinion, whatever, it doesn't matter, good or bad. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I appreciate anyone who subscribes, all comments, and all likes. Anyways, everybody enjoy the rest of your day. Hope you enjoyed this video.